Welcome everybody, welcome to another amazing time out from the Zobmi Digi services. My name is Obara Miracle and today I am bringing another interesting episode from the Zobmi Digi services. Today we'll be looking at something really interesting, something that's going to blow your mind, something that would usher you into the big world of tech. But before we delve into what we have in store today, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zobmi Digi Services. Just click on the subscribe button below and you will become part of this large family online. Now basically today I'll be explaining in detail how you can create or you can code with your smartphone. Now somebody would ask, is this guy being serious? How can one even think of coding with your smartphone? How can you even learn programming with your smartphone? Now I will be explaining all that in this episode. But before we begin, let me explain it this way. Now technology have over the years evolved and things are no longer as they used to be before. Formerly, for you to learn programming, it must be with a computer or it must be with a laptop. But with the advancement of smartphone, now smartphone perform different kind of complex tasks and it make it available. Now smartphone is like a mini computer. It serves different purposes. Now most people use their smartphone as their office. Now I would not go into that in detail, so today is just going to be programming with smartphone. Now before we delve into what we have in store today, now you must have 4 things in place. Now number 1 is a text editor. Coding with laptop, smartphone, desktop, whatever, you must have a text editor. In some cases it is known as an IDE, an integrated development environment. The second is file manager. Now you must have a file manager. What file manager basically do is to organize your files. Now the next is a view source handler. Now advisably you can search for view source handler on Google and you would see a whole lot of them there. Now the last is a web server. A web server is another one. Now let's go into the main part. 6 developer tools every developer should have if you want to create code with your smartphone. The number 1 is Acode. Acode is a lightweight but powerful text editor. Now with Acode you can conveniently write code in HTML and JavaScript. Now you can do this using Acode. Now Acode is available on Google Play Store and Apple Store. Now the second must have tools is Google Chrome. We all know what Google Chrome is. Now Google Chrome is a browser from Google. Google Chrome basically helps you as an individual, as a programmer, to successfully test run your code. So it is a must-have tool as a developer. Now the second is coding keyboard. Now this is I don't know how to explain it, but this is a must-have tool for you to efficiently code or program with your smartphone. Now the next is Java N IDE. Now Java N IDE is a text editor that is specific for Java. Now if you want to create or if you want to run codes on Java using your smartphone, Android device or iOS, Java N IDE is a must have. Now the second is CXX Droid. Don't worry, I would type it below the description for you to get the spelling and for you to efficiently get those tools I made mention of. Now CXX Droid is basically for C and C++ programming language, for you to efficiently write codes in C and C++ on Android device. Now the last but not the least is TrebEdit. Now this is a mobile HTML editor for you to have as a developer. Now above all, the most important resource as a programmer or as a developer is now the most important tools or resource as a developer is Stack Overflow. It's a website where questions are asked and questions are answered. If you have any challenge running your code as a developer, just go to Stack Overflow, log in, and then sign up. You would have enormous opportunity. You have enormous resource and tools to work with. Most questions, most challenges you will find would be answered there. Now, thanks for this opportunity. Thanks for sticking with us. But please subscribe to the Zobmi Digi services to get more content. I would make sure I bring great content. I'll make sure I show you different things you would learn in the world of technology. Now, to be part of our large family on the internet is simply subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zobmi Digi services. Now, thank you. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. Till we see you again.